it's Jocelyn, aka Grandbaby Cakes. Y'all know we are back in the kitchen with another amazing recipe. Today we are gonna go straight up comfort sides, okay? Because you know you can't have some chicken, you can't have some pot roast without no mashed potatoes. So today I'm showing you how I make mine. We are going to make my delicious, absolutely decadent, incredible garlic mashed potatoes. Y'all wanna make these? Come on in the kitchen, let's get started. So to get started, we need to start with the most important part, which is the garlic. We are going to roast some garlic, y'all. So I've got the oven at a super high temperature and I've got a head of garlic here. You can also use cloves, it's up to you. And I'm just going to cut off the bottom here. Ooh, get in there, get in there. Yeah. So you can see all that incredibleness there. Ooh, delicious. And then I'm just going to drizzle. I'll take out some of this outside here. And I'm just going to drizzle the top of this with some olive oil. Cover this baby up. And I'm gonna pop it in the oven. This is gonna roast for about an hour. So this boiling water needs some salt. Make sure that you are salting your water. So you add that flavor. So I'm gonna add some salt. And don't be shy with that. And then I'm just gonna scoop these and add them into our water. So you're going to let these boil and come right back up to temperature, and you want these to be easily pierced with a fork. So these are gonna go at boiling water for about 20 to 25 minutes, and then as soon as they are super tender, you can finish up your potatoes. So now we're gonna get started on our garlic liquid. We've got that roasted garlic, and now we're gonna melt that down with some butter. And I've got some half and half. It's nice, thick, creamy deliciousness. We're gonna put that all up in the potatoes, y'all. And then we've got our roasted garlic. Put the rest of that butter in here. And I'm just gonna add that right in here. Oh my gosh, y'all, get all of that, look at that. Just get all of that goodness in here. Get all of that, the cloves, and get all that, squeeze it in there. And then we're just gonna let this melt down. Okay, y'all, so now it's time to finish up our potatoes. They are easily pierced with a fork, so they're nice and tender. And we also have our liquid that we're going to add in increments. So you can use like a hand mixer, which I find to be much easier to deal with. You can mash them by hand. You can use like a ricer, but most people don't have that. It's not necessary to make incredible mashed potatoes, so let's go with the hand mixer. So now that I've got them already started, they started whipping up beautifully, I'm gonna start to add in my liquid in increments. So I mashed the garlic into this liquid so the garlic would really sort of seep into all of the flavors here. So I'm just gonna start to add this in little by little and then start mixing it in. All right, and then I'm gonna add a little bit more. And you don't have to add all the liquid. If you want your potatoes to be much thicker, you can do this by preference. And because potatoes are starchy, they can take a lot of liquid. So don't worry about too much, but it's best to add in increments and sort of see exactly where you land. So now I'm gonna add in some additional flavors here. I've got some salt, and you wanna do this to taste as well. I've got some pepper, and then I also have some garlic powder because I love garlic. Ain't enough garlic here. I'm gonna add in some more salt and give that a nice mix. And then I like to start the taste process to sort of see, you know, where I land here. Let me taste that again. I think these are great. I'm just gonna add a tiny bit more salt, and then we can serve these up. Pepper too. Yep. Yep. That's it. That's it. You're gonna want this recipe, y'all. It is incredible. Make sure you head to grandbabycakes.com to grab the recipe, and make sure that you leave me a star rating and a comment here to tell me what you think. And don't forget to subscribe so you can check out more weekly videos. Ta-ta for now. See you next time.